Hello everyone, my name is Ganesh from ITA. My seminar topic is pigeonhole principle and its applications. What, what is meant by pigeonhole principle? If n objects are placed into m pigeonholes and n is greater than m, then at least one pigeonhole must contain more than one object. In other words, if you are trying to disturb more items than their constraints, then there must be at least one constraint with more than one item. Applications of pigeonhole principle. Per-day paradox. In a group of just 23 people, there is a better than even chance that at least two people share the same birthday. It is a surprising result, but it can be explained using pigeonhole principle. In a standard 9 by 9 Sudoku grid, if you have 81 numbers to place and 181 calls, by the pigeonhole principle, at least one number will appear more than once in a complete grid. Infinite pigeonholes. If an infinite number of objects are placed into infinite number of pigeonholes, then at least one pigeonhole must contain an infinite number of objects. This principle is often used in mathematical proofs. Job scheduling. If you have more tasks than the number of times solved available, then at least one time slot must contain more than one task. This can be used in project planning schedules. Integer pigeonhole principle. If n integers are selected from the set, then at least one them must be odd or even. This is straightforward application of pigeonhole principle. Subset sums. Give a slot set of n plus 1 integers. The pigeonhole principle can be used to show that they exist two subsets with same. Understanding and applying pigeonhole principle is essential in various areas of mathematics, computer science, and problem solving in general. It often provides a quick way to establish the extents of certain arrangements or patterns based on the constraints of a definitions of graph theory. Definitions of graph theory. Directed graph. It is a graph made to set of vertex connected by edges in which edges have a direction associated with them. Undirected graph. Undirected graph is defined as a graph where the set of nodes are connected together in which all edges are bidirectional. Null graph. A graph that does not have edges. Simple graph. A graph that is undirected and does not have any loops or multiple edges. Mul- Multigraph. A graph with multi-edges between same set of vertex. It has loops. Cycle graph. A graph that computes a cycle. Complete graph. When each pair of vertex are connected by an edge, then such pair graph is called as complete graph. Planar graph. When no edges of a graph inserted and are the vertex and edges are drawn in a single face. This graph is known as planar graph.